Hello, my cookies. Today we are going to be making some good old spicy Nashville hot chicken wings. Let's cook. Starting with about 3 pounds of chicken wings, I'm going to season them with some poultry seasoning and onion powder. I'm also going to sprinkle in some cayenne pepper. Mix those spices in together well into the chicken, and then we're going to pour on some hot sauce and some buttermilk. Now we're going to cover the bowl and refrigerate overnight or for at least 4 hours. The next day, I grabbed my self-rising flour using self-rising because the baking powder will make the chicken extra crispy. Then I added some onion and garlic powders to the flour and just a little bit of celery salt. Then we want to mix it together really well. Now grab your chicken wings, and we're going to do a few at a time. Just add it into the flour. And guys, I'm using my Batter Pro Bowl. I love this thing. I don't even remember where I got it from. It just appeared in my house one day. Seriously. But just look up Batter Pro on Google or Amazon and you should be able to find it. It makes battering chicken, fish, any type of meat so much easier. I'm not being sponsored, but I should. Holler at me, guys. But yeah, we just want to mix this flour, and if you don't have this bowl, just dredge it, as normal in a bowl. Now we can heat up our oil, and we want to heat the oil, I'm using vegetable oil, to about 350 degrees. Then we're going to dip the chicken in there. I like to dip it in one time, bring it back up to keep the meat from sticking to the basket. Now we're going to fry for about 8 to 10 minutes on that 350 until it's cooked all the way through and it's nice and golden brown like so. And now we're going to drain it on a wired rack. And once all of our chicken is done, now it is time to work on the star of the show, the sauce. So grab a bowl that is heat safe. I'm using a metal bowl, and to it I'm going to first add in our brown sugar. The sweetness of the sugar balances out the heat of this cayenne pepper really well. Then we're also going to add in a little bit more garlic powder, some sweet paprika, can't find sweet, use regular, and some chili powder, and lastly some red pepper flakes. And then we're just going to mix that together really well. Then we're going to ladle a little bit of that hot oil we used to fry our chicken. Be careful, this stuff is hot, so ladle it. Come on, Coop, hold the bowl while you mix. And we're going to mix it in really well, and that heat from the oil will kind of, help dissolve those spices and sugar. And then you can take a brush and brush all of that goodness onto the chicken. You can brush it, you can spoon it on, or you can even dip the chicken in. I like to brush it because, look at it. Come on now. And cookies, that is how I prepare Nashville hot chicken. I hope I made my Tennessee cookies proud. The recipe link will be down there in the description box. Don't forget the white bread and the pickles, guys. I love this chicken. Tennessee, y'all know what's up, okay? Look how juicy and crunchy this meat is. Oh man, so good. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, the thief is back. Look at him. Be blessed.